So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment, developing soft skill and personality week 4 assignment 4. So the first question is Anwar works as a customer care executive and encounters a conflict where he has to put a customer on hold. How can answer effectively handle this situation and maintain a positive interaction with the customers? So these are the options and the answer of our first question is A. Anwar politely requests the customer to hold and assures them that he will be as quick as possible. And D. Anwar expresses gratitude to the customer for their patience and understanding. Now, the second question is as professional who frequently engages in phone conversation, you are faced with the task of delivering bad news to a client. What are some tips to effectively deliver bad news while still maintaining the other person's respect? So these are the options, and the answer of our second question is A, D, E, F. Now, the third question is in a team meeting, six members have different psychological barriers to effective listening. A new speaker has arrived to give a speech. Identify the persons displaying intolerance. So, these are the options, and the answer of our third question is E. Now, the fourth question is during performance review, Meena receives feedback that she often dominates conversations and does not allow others to express their views. Which strategies can Meena adopt to improve her active listening skills? So, these are the options, and the answer of our fourth question is A. Practice mindfulness to stay present during conversations. B. Allow pauses to give other a chance to speak. C. Summarize other points before adding her own, and F. Attend active listening workshop or training sessions. Now the fifth question is which of the following are ways to politely put someone on hold on the phone according to the lecture? So these are the options, and the answer of our fifth question is A, C, D, and F. Now, the sixth question is Minakshi, a team leader in a corporate setting, is responsible for conducting a performance review meeting with her team member. Arvind. Arvind's performance has been consistently below expectations. How can Minakshi effectively handle this situation and provide constructive feedback? So, these are the options, and the answer of our sixth question is C and E. Now, the seventh question is Shruti handle medical helpline calls where clarity and empathy are crucial. She tends to rush through calls under pressure. Which of these changes would improve her listening and communication? So these are the options, and the answer of our seventh question is A, B, C, D, E. Now the eighth question is Usha is a chef who wants to enhance her culinary expertise and teamwork in the kitchen. Identify the measures she should adopt to develop good listening skills and stabilize her culinary career. So these are the options, and the answer of our eighth question is A, E, and F. Now, the ninth question is Dev is a team leader in a busy workplace. He is responsible for overseeing a team of employees and ensuring smooth operation. One day, one of his team member, Binodini, comes to him with concern about a project. How can Dev's effective listening skill positively impact the situation? So, these are the options. And the answer of our ninth question is D and E. Now, the tenth question is identify those people who are appropriately using telephone communication in the following scenarios. So these are the option, and the answer of our 10th question is A, B, C, and E. Now the 11th question is Gauri is a talented dancer who is preparing for a performance with her dance troupe. They are rehearsing a complex routine that required precise coordination and synchronization. During the rehearsal, Gauri realized the significance of effective communication in ensuring flawless performance. Which of the following action demonstrates the importance of good communication skill in this situation? So these are the option, and the answer of our 11th question is D. Now, the 12th question is Darshan is an enthusiastic hiker who enjoys exploring new trails. He joined a hiking club and participates in a group hiking led by experienced hikers. During the hike, the leader shares valuable information about the terrain, safety precautions, and landmarks. However, Darshan is easily distracted and fails to actively listen to the leader's instructions. Which of the following action demonstrate the importance of active listening in this situation? So these are the option, and the answer of our 12th question is D. Now the 13th question is, who among the following is a good communicator? So these are the option, and the answer of our 13th question is C. Now the 14th question is, Ajay is handling a difficult escalation call where the customer is angry and frustrated. Which of the following actions is the least likely to help him de-escalate the situation? So these are the option, and the answer of our 14th question is C. Speaking over the customer to gain control. Now the 15th question is, what is the primary reason why telephone communication requires clearer verbal expression than face-to-face communication? So these are the option, and the answer of our 15th question is B. Lack of body language cues. Now the 16th question is, at an international conference call, Rohit finds that several participants talk over each other due to language barriers and different accents. Despite repeating information, miscommunication continues. What should Rohit do to enhance listening and reduce confusion in future calls? So these are the options, and the answer of our sixth question is D. Ask for confirmation. Now the 17th question is, Purnima wants to improve her communication skill and avoid being the person other wants to avoid in conversations. Which of the following options should she consider to achieve this? So these are the option, and the answer of our 17th question is B. Reflecting on her communication habits and identifying if she tends to engage in long non-mindful conversations. Now the 18th question is, which of the following would be considered a sign of poor telephone etiquette? So these are the option, and the answer of our 18th question is C. Not introducing oneself. Now, the 19th question is, when leaving a voicemail message, which among the following is the recommended action? So these are the option, and the answer of our 19th question is A. Briefly state your name, reason for calling, and desired outcome. Now, the 20th question is, what is dissonance? So these are the option, and the answer of our 20th question is E. A state of disharmony. Now, the 21st question is, Raghav believes that motivation is more important than consistency. When it comes to build a new habit like daily writing, he writes only one when inspired, which result in long gaps between entries. Raghav can successfully build habits with this approach. True or false? So the answer of our 21st question is false. Now the 22nd question is, if somebody is making an important call where she is going to give you some information and you are not prepared, do not ask them to call again. True or false? So the answer of our 22nd question is A. True. Now the 23rd question is, Sri Hari. Sri Hari believes that he is an active listener as he lets the other person speak, even though he rarely concentrate on what the other person has to say. Sri Hari is very self-aware. True or false? So the answer of our 23rd question is false. Now the 24th question is, during a heated family discussion over a recent financial decision, Abhay's young brother keeps interruption their father before he finished his sentence. Abhay listened quietly, notes and asks questions to understand both perspectives. Later, when he paraphrases the concerns of both parties to facilitate a calmer dialogue, his family appreciate that he was not just hearing them but truly listening to understand. Abhay is an active listener. True or false? So the answer of our 24th question is A. True. Now, the 25th question is, Akirti and Sundar were good friends who lost touch over the years. Sundar believes that Akirti would not be interested in contacting her as she has acquired a higher social status. Sundar's preconceived notion act as a psychological barrier to good communication. So, true or false? So, the answer of our 25th question is A. True. Now, submit your answer. Thank you, friends, for watching our video.